Summary of The Twins by Henry S. Lee. The poem The Twins humorously explores the confusion caused by identical twins' similarity. The speaker recounts how, as children, they were constantly mistaken for each other, puzzling family and friends. This situation worsened when, during infancy, the nurse mixed up their identities, resulting in the speaker being named John, his brother name, and vice versa. The poem's narrator faces consequences for his brother's misbehavior, particularly at school, where he is frequently flogged. For John's mistake, the speaker desperately seeks wise advice on how to prove his true identity. The poem playfully highlights the complexities of twinship, mistaken identity, and the struggle to establish individuality. Henry Lee used humor and style to explore these themes, creating a relatable and entertaining narrative. To conclude from the above discussion, we can say that this poem is about the physical resemblance shared by the identical twins that can create confusion amongst the people. It shows the problem faced not only by the twins themselves but by their families and friends in identify one from the other. The tone of the poem is humorous.